Hello, and welcome to another update video about Link. Link is currently showing a little bit of a decline. There's a bit of downside pressure today in the crypto sector. As already explained in the Bitcoin video, we might work on that C wave to the downside in our blue count on the Bitcoin chart. That is dragging down the altcoins as well, but also here on the Link chart, we were watching for a pullback, possibly here in the B wave of the third wave. Okay, so similar wave count to, for example, Solana and ADA, where we can say that from the low, obviously we had this crash on Monday, and I highlighted to you really to be more directly bullish and to really have more, let's say, faith, even though that's not really a good thing to do in the crypto sector, but you know what I mean. You know, to let's say believe the yellow wave count more. I want to see a sustained break above that sort of last high here, and that's around $10.80, and that's really a bit of a breakout point to the upside. Double top there indicates it could break at some point, absolutely, but first of all, it feels like we need to complete this correction, which could be within the third wave, just simply an A, B, C structure. Remember that I highlighted in the last video that we might be dealing here with a diagonal pattern. So we have a wave 1 in 3 waves, have a wave 2, and the wave 3 would also be a 3-wave move. A, B, C. So we have to be prepared for unexpected setbacks and so on. That's just the nature of these diagonals. I mean, could you label it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is even more bullish? Yeah, you could try to, but this here looks so much like a 3-wave move up, okay? So you have a 1-2-1-2 setup. Wouldn't change anything in terms of support. It's the same. In this case, I would rather prefer to go with a diagonal, rather to keep people on the side of caution. 1-2-1-2 setups are uber bullish, and it just doesn't look like it. But even if we rally from here, it would be that C wave, okay? And if something more bullish emerges from that, even better. The problem is if we break below the $9.52 level, then this would indicate that that's the, let's say, the lower boundary of the upper box. That would indicate that this idea that a wave 2 already bottomed on Wednesday or Thursday, that this will become, well, it will be unlikely. In this case, then we would be tracking a larger wave 2. We would say that this larger wave 2 is simply still unfolding. And that means the main support for this overall bullish case in the yellow scenario, which is the bullish wave count. In this scenario, the main support for the bulls is at $8.56. The $8.56 level is the key bullish support level. Whether we turn around a little earlier or we go down and test the lower box and then turn around, but that's the key bullish support. Any break below $8.56 will likely mean that we're moving down in wave 5 in the white count, because technically speaking, this move down in wave C looks incomplete. In the white scenario, after the B wave top there around the 21st of July, this looks only like a 3-wave move down. Now, some Elliott wave analysts might argue that, okay, that last 4-5 pattern is simply hidden in that liquidation candle here when we had the strong sell-off, which can be the case. So I cannot rule that out. But therefore I'm saying, okay, nobody's got a crystal ball, but as soon as we break above that 1085 level, we should get to 1336, because that's the first ideal target for the third wave. And as long as we're holding above 856, we can give the bulls a chance. But below that level, one more low is likely going to play out to test the $6.90 level. And that would be the last chance for the bulls overall, I think. Okay, because below that level, the long-term support is broken. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.